Welcome to another exciting episode, and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of setting up an eSIM on your iPhone. Most carriers have a similar setup, but in this tutorial, we'll specifically guide you through the steps for Mint Mobile. But first, let's understand what an eSIM is. An eSIM, short for embedded SIM, is an industry-standard digital SIM card that lets you activate a cellular plan from your carrier without needing a physical SIM card. The great thing is, you can install up to 8 or more eSIMs on your iPhone and use 2 different phone numbers simultaneously. Now, before we dive into the setup, here's what you'll need. Number 1, an iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XR, or a later model. Number 2, a wireless carrier or international service provider that supports eSIM. Number 3, ensure your new iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. Please note that eSIM on iPhone is not available in mainland China. However, in Hong Kong and Macau, some iPhone models do support eSIM. Alright, let's get started. Open your Mint Mobile app and select Order Replacement eSIM. Next, choose the first option if you've recently purchased a new iPhone. If you'd like more detailed instructions, you can visit the Mint Mobile website, but rest assured, setting up the eSIM is a breeze. In this step, ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi and then tap on I'm connected to Wi-Fi. Please wait while your request is processed, and once it's successful, you'll see a confirmation message. Congratulations, you've completed step 1. Now, let's move on to step 2. Next, tap Install eSIM and wait for it to activate. If you encounter any issues during activation, don't hesitate to reach out to Mint Mobile support. Generally, activation takes just a few minutes. As you can see, your eSIM has been successfully activated. You can even add another eSIM as a secondary line, just like I did. Now you can toggle on the second eSIM. As you can see, the second cellular plan is active and the carrier's name is displayed at the top. Keep in mind that for now, you can only use one line at a time. If you decide to switch between lines, you can do so from this menu. And that's it. You successfully set up an eSIM on your iPhone with Mint Mobile. Enjoy the flexibility of using multiple phone numbers on your device.
Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts, questions, or ideas for future videos, please share them in the comments section. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button below. Your support means the world to me. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from me. Remember, your feedback and engagement inspire me to create more valuable content. So if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please drop them in the comments section. I read every comment and love hearing from you. Stay connected, stay awesome, and until next time, keep exploring, learning, and growing together. Thank you for your incredible support, and I can't wait to see you in our next video.